to Adroit, your ultimate course creation platform. Let's walk through the process step by step. Let's start by entering your desired course title. Next, choose the domain that aligns with your course content. Now, indicate the difficulty level of your course. Select the specific group of learners for this course. Set the start date for the course using the calendar. Don't forget to specify the end date as well. Enter the course fee, ensuring accuracy. Moving on, now select the trainer for this course. Choose the trainer who will deliver the course content. And there you have it. Your course is successfully created. It's that simple. Thank you for using Adroit.